Hi, in this video I will show you how to create a patient profile. The nurse will need to log in to chart.cardiophoenix.com with their email and password. Search the patient by health card number. If the patient does not exist in the system, the form will open and you can fill in the patient's personal information. When you save the data, the completed data will be displayed on the left and the previous patient's examinations on the right, if any. To create a new test, click on the Create New Test button. Current health condition and quick questionnaire of the patient should be filled up. You can also do that when you start testing. Don't forget to save changes. Now patient profile is created, so now it's time to prepare the patient and connect the device. Jump to the next video.